Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Iran and today I'm sharing my weekly trading recap. I try to publish those every week to show my process and to help anyone who might also struggle to stay consistent. As you can see, I try to be as transparent as I can with my P&L and planning. This week I made priority to take only high probability trades instead of trading every day. I focus on being selective. That meant filtering out days that didn't fit my criteria and only stepping when time, price, and liquidity lines up. With that in mind, let's go through Forex Factory calendar and see how I built my plan for the week. For me, since I trade Nasdaq futures, each Sunday I open up Forex Factory and see what I have for the week. This helped me plan my trading week in advance, and in my opinion, planning is key for success. So on Monday we had no high impact news events. Personally, I don't like Mondays without high impact news. The reason is that Monday is Q1 of the weekly cycle, so we yet to have true week open, which makes this day as a low probability day for me. I will consider trading it when I have a high impact news event, so in this case I skipped trading Monday entirely. Tuesday we had multiple high impact news at different times. Powell speaking, Trump is speaking, news at 9:45, news at 12:35, and we also have market open at 9:30. That's too many energy injections in one session. Energy could come from anywhere at any time throughout those all options. And I didn't want to gamble my timing. So I filtered out Tuesday as well. Wednesday, no high impact news. It's a medium probability day. I opened the graph and looking for a setup. Tuesday, we had one impact news at 8:30. Also Friday, this means those are good probability days for me, and I opened the graph to looking for any setups. So overall, Monday we had no trades. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, one trade each. So the total result is $435. For context, I trade with 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio using 2 contracts. My standard setup is 25 points of stop loss and 75 points of target. But I don't force the full move, as we can see on Wednesday. Sometimes I plan in advance to exit early if price give me a reason. I'll walk through and explain why I did so. And feel free to share with us down in the comments below, how do you define high probability days for yourself? Maybe we can help each other understand and how to filter out bad days in advance. So let's get started and jump to Wednesday. So this is Wednesday. We have 90-minute candle lows lined up to be taken one by one. Price also swept this 90-minute candle high, which told me we plan to go lower to sweep those lows. I entered short based on this 4 hour and 30 minutes look back in the day premium, and we can see that this worked perfectly. This almost perfect entry and the trade worked well. We can see I exit at the true day open. We take almost 59 points of profit. Let's round up to 60. And the reason I exit before is that price got into an extreme discount with many lookbacks as an option to reverse from. And I didn't want to stay and give price to reverse on me. We can see that I could stay, but again, I was out, happy with my profits. So let's go to Thursday. So Thursday's trade, price already dropped for 2 days. You can see here this drop, and Thursday is the Q4 in the weekly cycle, and Q4 often means a reversal, and we are sitting near the true open of the 90-minute, 6 hours and daily lookbacks, plus we're in extreme discount, and we have also this 90-minute low that we sweep in the open of the 90-minute 9 a.m. candle. All of those together gave me a bullish signal, and on market open I have here, this is 8 days look back that I tried to long for, but as we can see, price just broke down. I didn't like it, it didn't stand with my plan for the day, and I decided to close the platform. and protect my capital. This is very important. When you see something that doesn't work the way you plan, just close. There is always another day or another session to try again. Don't force anything. That's the way to lose your money. And Friday for me was a textbook. We have those true opens from the AM session daily and 90 minutes too short, but we also have this candle sweep, 90 minutes candle sweep to the news high. The plan for today will be on market open. We're really close to the news low. Take the news low, doing some manipulation, and then drop even lower. And that's exactly what happened. On market open, we swept this low into 3-hour look back. Exactly here, I entered a bit late because I planned to enter at the candle body. It rejected from the wick, so I just entered a bit late. This is fine. My setup aligned perfectly. We can see here. I thought that price going to take the news high and then reverse, which didn't happen. That's why I didn't continue to trade another time at 10. And for two reasons. One, price didn't act the way I expected, and if it doesn't follow my plan, then I don't want to touch it because maybe I missed something, maybe I didn't see the entire plan, so I don't want to take my chances. And I also felt a bit of euphoria after the first good trade and having a good week. I felt unstoppable, and trading when you feel unstoppable is often a good way to get liquidated really fast because you feel you know everything, you feel the market, and that's not the way I want to behave. That's not my future self want to behave. So I decided to close the computer and not take another trade at 10, which worked perfectly here. Discipline keeps me out of trouble. This is the key thing I want you to take. Planning and following that plan is key to success in trading. Discipline, discipline, discipline. So my final thoughts on the week. This week was all about quality over quantity. I only traded the days that matched my criteria. 3 trades in total, 2 wins, 1 loser, and solid risk to reward and strong discipline throughout the week. So that was my recap, and I'd love to hear from you. What did you focus on your trades this past week? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. Let's help each other. Stay consistent, focused on the process, on your good habits, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.